Hi, and welcome to your most beautiful yard. ScapeWorx has been your trusted landscaping experts, proudly serving Glen Mills, Garnet Valley, Media, Pennsylvania, and the surrounding areas for well over a decade. At ScapeWorx, we unlock your property's full potential. We customize everything from colorful, low-maintenance gardens and pristine lawns to luxurious patios and outdoor kitchens. And no one has better warranties than ScapeWorx. ScapeWorx is more than just landscaping. We provide quality that's built to last. We only use high-end materials mixed in with high-level craftsmanship and proven techniques to ensure your new landscape is the envy of the neighborhood. If you're looking for exceptional quality with ongoing maintenance, choose ScapeWorx and discover the difference. Contact us today. We are really just a click or a call away.